Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to upload longer videos on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom. You will find an option gallery that shows all recent images and videos. Tap the drop-down menu, and you will see different media albums. Go to any videos folder, and choose the video you wish to upload. Then tap on Next from the top right corner. Just like you get different filter options when posting a photo, you can apply filters to your videos as well. You can also trim this video as well. Then tap on Next from the top right corner. Write a compelling caption. You can also tag people and add a location. Also, you can use any of these options you like. When you are all done, tap on Share from the bottom. The upload time will depend on the video size. The video has been uploaded. Go to your profile and refresh the page. When you play the video, you will see that the video length is 1 minute and 16 seconds. That means you can upload any videos up to 60 minutes. So in this way, you can upload longer videos on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.